Hi guys, it's Valentinos again. It's been a while since you last saw me, and that's because I didn't actually have a computer to post any videos or make anything to work. This week we are on a family trip for 2 days to Paphos, and I thought it would be a nice idea to make some nice sunset shots. There is a nice boat here that it's immobilized for a long time, and it's just coming near the sun. So I'm gonna try and make some shots, although today there is absolutely no clouds. So we will try, see what we get, and have a nice time. Let's go back to the boat, make some drone shots, and try to find a nice composition and take some shots. I'm gonna set up the polarizer to remove that glare from the water that is coming from the sun, and use a 10-stop filter to get a long exposure, and also a 3-stop gradient D to remove the overexposed sun. So guys, so that's it for today. I don't know if we actually got any good shots. I think we got at least one, but I'm not really sure. We're gonna see when we go on the computer and in 2 days. On the first shot I actually forgot to close the shutter of the viewfinder, so we probably got some light leaks from there, but I closed it after that. It was about 25 seconds the first shot, but it probably got some light leaks from the viewfinder. So we shot with foreground the rocks here and background the boat and the sunset. I don't know if we're gonna come here. Maybe we come here tonight. Not actually tonight, tomorrow morning, to shoot the Milky Way, because this time of the year it's coming as an arc from that side of the boat and it's crossing, at least I think at this way. So it's gonna make a nice shot if we do that. That's it, if we wake up. Alright, so that's it for today. Tomorrow maybe we'll go for another place to shoot the sunset. There is a nice pier nearby, so I think we're gonna make it there. And see you tomorrow. Bye bye.